Lifestream Metabolic Daily is being promoted as a natural formula that can support fat metabolism, reduce cravings, and help with weight management. But the real question is whether it actually burns fat or just provides mild support. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Lifestream Metabolic Daily contains fiber, chromium, and plant extracts like green coffee bean and yerba mate, which are commonly used in metabolism-focused supplements. However, here's the key point. These ingredients support metabolism. They don't directly cause significant fat loss on their own. There are some surface-level positives. Designed to support satiety and reduce cravings through fiber content. Includes ingredients linked to metabolic function and energy balance. Also supports digestion and gut health, which can indirectly help weight management. For general wellness, that's useful. But this is where expectations need to be realistic. The biggest issue is limited fat-burning impact. Supports fat metabolism, means helping your body process energy, not actively burning stored fat. Without a calorie deficit, results will be minimal. Another concern is lack of strong clinical claims. There's no clear evidence the specific formula leads to meaningful weight loss on its own. Benefits are described as supportive, not transformative. So, does it really help you burn fat? Short answer, not directly. It may help control appetite and support metabolism, but it won't cause noticeable fat loss by itself. Bottom line, Lifestream Metabolic Daily is a legitimate low-risk supplement, but it's not a fat-burning shortcut. It works best as a support tool for diet and lifestyle changes, not a standalone solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.